Guys, I'm going to share today that we can now change the code on Mathify. So obviously Mathify is about producing an animation. So in this case I was trying to produce the definitions of Euclid's elements, right? So Euclid's element is like this quintessential ancient book about geometry, and it has some definitions that are very interesting. First time that I read them in my life, but it's obviously like a universal classic of mathematics, to put it that way. So I was going through the definitions, and I thought about making an animation of the first 5, which I published on YouTube, by the way. So you can go to Mathify.dev on YouTube, and for example here you can see the animation of Euclid's elements, right? So I made that animation. Now I faced some trouble at first. So yesterday I was trying to do it, but some of the, let's see, so not this one, so here. So what you're going to notice is that, first I want you to let you understand the nature of the problem. So it got it right the first time. Like, it managed to create a YouTube short of the definitions. I told it that I wanted to make a YouTube short. Most of them are okay. The only issue is the spacing, the horizontal padding, the horizontal length of the lines. So this one in particular. So this was like too much. So I went to Adobe Premiere Rush, my video editor, and made a few fixes so that it would show better. But today I was trying to do it again with the next set of definitions, 7 to 10, but by mistake I added another one that I didn't want, so it ended up making them from 7 to 11. Anyways, I made a few mistakes, and you can see the same problem is happening again. Yesterday I was trying to explain it to fix it, but I was not so happy with the results. So today I was like, screw it, I'm going to implement the feature I need to use my own product, and that feature is being able to change the code. So I implemented the feature. So it's not possible to change the code. So for example, I made a mistake here. This one was meant to be number 6. This one was meant to be number 7. This one was meant to be number 8. This one was meant to be number 9. And this one was meant to be number 10. And in fact, I didn't even want this one here. So as you can see, my request was definitions 7 to 11 of Euclid's elements, book 1. So here are the definitions that I want. Now, the issue on animation is that some of them, as you saw, are too long. So let's see. 7 is fine. 8 is a problem. 8 is super long. So I'm wondering what I could do. So let's see. An applying angle is inclination of the lines to one another. Let's see. Would be great if I could just. Okay. So yeah. So I wonder if this is going to work. I add a line break there. Will that work? An applying is the inclination of the lines to one another. When two planes, let's see, when two lines not lying with one another, and are not lying in a straight line. An angle. Okay, so let's see how it goes with that one. Really hoping that a line break works, but at least now I can try to hit the code and change it and see how it goes. So 8 is not okay. We already fixed that one. Oh, 9 is also a problem. Let's see. 9 is also a problem. 10 is also a problem. My goodness. 11, no, hold on. Well, let's see, let's break all the lines around here. We're going to implement this is sort of like where we should be breaking them. Yeah, you get the idea. Probably better to have like a space there. Okay, so those are details. So we have managed to break the lines. We probably can reduce the font size a bit. Just to be safe, let's reduce it by half because I don't want to mess it up. So there are many font sizes. The title, the subtitle, title group. Definition of font size. Let's see, font size. Oh, there's a font size for all of them. Right angle. Oh, okay, I get it. 36, 24, 36. Well, let's see, let's just go with that. Let's see if it works. So I'm going to render it and pause the video. So I'm going to tell it. Okay. So I made changes to the last file. Can you please render it again? Let's see how it goes. So there you go. It's rendering the next animation, and I'm going to pause the video and let you know how it goes. Okay, so it kinda worked. I need to make more changes. Apparently I need to make the lines even shorter. So it works, as you can see. The lines do get shorter when I break them, of course. You get the point. So, but I need to do it more times, apparently. So I'll do it. Well, we're almost getting there. I still have issues. I need to cut that one. This one is great. This one is excellent. I like it. This one is a long definition. Well, that's fine. For now, I think. So that one is great. This one is the issue. I need to cut it probably around here. This one is great. And yeah, so I know. Number 8. Okay, so finally here I have one that I'm satisfied with. So as you can see, most of them now fit reasonably within the video. This one is a bit long, but I can always work that one out a little bit, perhaps summarize it. But the point is that now that I'm able to edit the code, the workflow feels more complete because Mathify allows me to create animations in a very fast way